Imagine a country at war, not only defending itself but also becoming a global teacher in modern warfare. This is exactly what Ukraine is doing today, turning its battlefield experience into powerful international partnerships worth billions of dollars. Ukraine has been facing a long and intense conflict with Russia. During this time, it has developed advanced military skills, especially in drone warfare and air defense systems. Instead of keeping this experience limited, Ukraine is now sharing it globally. Ukraine has recently signed major defense agreements with Gulf countries like Saudi Arabia, Qatar, and the UAE. These are long-term partnerships expected to last around 10 years and involve billions of dollars. One key area of cooperation is drone technology and air defense. Gulf countries are increasingly concerned about missile and drone threats, and Ukraine's real-war experience makes it a valuable partner in this field. This isn't a one-sided deal. Ukraine gains financial support and investment in its defense industry. Gulf countries gain practical military knowledge and improved security systems. There are also plans for joint weapons production and training programs. These partnerships show a shift in global defense strategy. Countries are now learning from real battlefield experience rather than relying only on traditional superpowers. Ukraine is emerging not just as a country in need, but as a strong defense partner. Ukraine's billion-dollar defense deals highlight how war experience can transform a nation into a global influencer. These partnerships are shaping the future of modern warfare and international cooperation.